To pay by echeck. Start by filling in your checking account number, routing account number, and the amount you wish to pay through an online platform. Once you've entered this information, click Submit to authorize the payee to make the withdrawal. This will send a payment request to the ACH network, which will then confirm whether the necessary funds are available in your account. If the funds are available, the withdrawal will take place. Alternatively, you can also authorize an echeck transaction over the phone by providing your checking and routing account number to the payee, who will then key this information into an online payment terminal. When the payment is processed, the amount will be deducted from your account and deposited into the payee's account. Additionally, payments can be set up as either one-time or recurring transactions, which will automatically deduct the specified amount from your bank account and transfer it to the payee's account. By following these steps, you can easily pay by echeck.